This program is brought to you by RHB and The Star. Pahang, the third largest state in Malaysia and the largest in the Malaysian Peninsula. Hello, I'm Hani Madhu and you're watching RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge 2011, and we are here in Kuantan, Pahang, Darul Makmur, the abode of tranquility. That's what Darul Makmur means. And we are here to search for the mightiest minds of Malaysia, where we will see students from various schools from all over Pahang battle against each other in science, mathematics and general knowledge at the Berjaya Mega Mall, Kuantan. So Pahang, are you ready? Students start arriving early in the morning to register. I bet they're all really excited. If they win today, they will get to represent the state of Pahang in the national finals in October.
We arrived here in Mega Mall at about 9 a.m. and actually we went separately and my father had to send me here.
Actually, I'm very excited. I'm sure my friends are also very excited because it'll be a good experience.
They look ready. They sound ready.
Yeah.
So what are we waiting for? Pahang, let's rock!
Molly is one of the many molecules absorbed through the small intestines. She does not contain nitrogen. She originated from a chain of predecessors along the alimentary canal. Who is Molly? And the correct answer we want is glucose. 22 teams getting it right. A snail traveling at a speed of 1.5 kilometers an hour took 24.5 times the duration taken by a bee to cover the same distance. What was the speed of the bee? And the answer we want, 1.5 of 24, I believe, is 36.75. 1.5 of 24.5. 30 of you getting that one right. Borat, your Facebook buddy from Kazakhstan, very kindly gave you a cow in Farmville. He's coming to Malaysia next month and wants to see fireflies. Where would you tell him to go? The answer we want. We're looking for Kuala Selangor. It's Selangor. 23 teams getting that one right. Sir Charles Darwin traveled in a motorboat at a speed of 20 kilometers an hour to investigate the frequency of the ripples of sea waves that travel at the same speed in the opposite direction. His recording showed that the ripples passed him at 1:25 p.m., 1:28 p.m., 1:31 p.m., 1:34 p.m. and 1:37 p.m. What was the frequency of the ripples? That's your question. And the answer we want is 1 every 6 minutes. 13 of you getting it right. A Malaysian chef attained international recognition through his array of exotic and tasty cuisine. Who is this chef? And the answer we want, Chef 1. Chef Redzwan Ismail. 35 of you getting it right. Ammonia is made up of 3 greens and 1 pink. Water contains 2 greens and 1 orange, while dry ice contains 2 oranges and 1 blue. What substance contains 2 greens, 1 blue and 3 oranges? The answer we want is carbonic acid. No pink, no nitrogen there. HCOOH, carbonic acid.
Those were the teams that made it to the next round. So how? Is your favorite team in the list? Anyways, congratulations to all the teams that made it through. So let's see them in action in this second round of RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge 2011 right here in Pahang. Time to get hands-on, guys. For the F123 category in Pahang, the teams have to construct a model of a parking lot that has a minimum of 6 parking bays and includes some form of entry and exit control. Use one parking bay to show how it can be intelligently revealed to a motorist that the bay is vacant or occupied from a distance. Let's see them do their thing.
The first part of the project is based on a lever system as we learn in Standard 6 as well in Form 2. It's just a simple first-class lever system. It's simple and does not need much complications.
And for the F4, F5 category, the teams have to construct a model of a retractable roofing system for a restaurant that will enable the restaurant owner to effectively shelter his customers from rain and sun. The judges are evaluating and giving points. It's time for the oral presentation again.
This is how our model works, and it actually uses the concept of pulleys mainly, which actually involves in less force than if we are to actually lift the roof directly upwards.
Each box represents a letter. So we've got a 7-letter word there. Unravel the word using these 3 clues. It's a physical quantity of water which is equal to 1 gram per cm cube at normal conditions. This quantity determines whether an object is able to float on a liquid. Your answer?
Density.
And the density is the correct answer. Congratulations. Tunku Abdul Rahman, fondly known as the father of independence, led the crowd in proclaiming Merdeka on 31st August 1957. How many times did he proclaim the word Merdeka? Team E, first to buzz in. What's your answer?
7 times.
7 times. We have a correct answer. The answer does not require you to multiply and give a value. But describe this next thing to me. How would you describe the product 10 times 60 times 24 times 60 times 365? What does it represent? Team A, what's your answer?
10 seconds times 60 minutes times 24 hours times.
Okay, no, don't tell me times all, okay? We don't want times all. Describe it, okay? After all that, what's the best way to describe it?
Years times second hours.
Sorry, that's past there, that's past. The judges don't want the answers. Team D, what's your answer?
The number of seconds available in 10 years.
We have a correct answer. Congratulations. There we go, that's what we wanted to. Mr. Roslan's home was visited by an enumerator. She asked him a couple of questions before she left. What does an enumerator do? Bit of general knowledge here. Team B, what's your answer?
Conduct surveys. Surveys.
Conducts a survey. Got a pass on that answer. Team D, what's your answer?
Conducts a census on the population of people.
Conduct a census is correct. 2 points for Team D.
First round, check. Second round, check. All we have to do now is just wait for the results. All the best, guys.
The challenge was good. It was fun and interesting. I think we can get maybe first to third placing.
I think the competition was very tough and the contestants were all very bright students, but in the end we gave our best. My team can win because we have been preparing for this for quite a while now.
With this then, let's go in reverse order. Lower secondary. Third place, SM Science Tunku Abdullah. SM Science Tunku Abdullah. Second place, SMK Tanah Puteh. RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge Lower Secondary Pahang champion goes to SMK Sultan Abu Bakar. For the Upper Secondary Challenge Pahang, third place RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge Pahang going to SMK Telok Cempedak. Runners up RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge Pahang going to SM Sains Tengku Abdullah. Champions RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge Pahang SMK Abdul Rahman Talib.
My student won. I'm very happy because they won first place. I think this challenge is very good because they challenge student general knowledge, science and math skills and hands-on skills as well.
I think the results was fair, although we lost by 1 point, just 1 point, but it was fair, yeah.
After a full day of questions and challenges, we have finally found the mightiest minds of Pahang. Congratulations! You guys deserve to be in the finals. Okay, don't go anywhere because coming up next is another round of our nationwide challenge, so stay tuned.